I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make natural hair mousse full guide. Start by measuring a cup of aloe gel and adding 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, then blend gently. Heat water and a small portion of natural emulsifier, whisk into the aloe mix, add 5 drops essential oil, and chill. Test a pea size to set hold. Adjust with xanthan or glycerin for softness. Store in pump bottle. Gather aloe gel, 2 tablespoons light oil like jojoba, 1 teaspoon xanthan gum, glycerin optional, and distilled water. Use a small whisk, digital scale, and pump bottle to measure and mix precisely. Heating a water bath helps dissolve the xanthan uniformly. Keep essential oils to 5 drops per cup to avoid irritation. Clean equipment thoroughly to prevent contamination and extend shelf life. This simple kit keeps the recipe consistent and beginner-friendly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make storing your homemade mousse mess-free and portable, perfect for gym bags or travel. They seal tight and stack neatly, saving counter space. I only share things I actually use and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Combine 1 cup aloe gel with 2 tablespoons jojoba oil in a clean bowl, then slowly whisk in 1 teaspoon xanthan dispersed in 2 tablespoons warm water. Add 1 teaspoon glycerin if extra moisture is needed, and 5 drops essential oil for scent. Whisk until light and airy, cool the mixture, then pump into a sterilized container. Apply a pea-sized amount to damp hair and scrunch for defined, touchable hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.